Hey guys, what's up? Johnny Cat here from Droid ROM Review, and today we're going to take a look at the Smoked Glass ROM version 4.5 by Adam Z. This is another ROM that's based on 2.0.1 and pretty impressive ROM for the most part. So let's go ahead and take a look. One of the first things that you're going to notice is that he has used the Launcher 2.0. This is a launcher that has integrated buttons, and it also has the Nexus 1 launcher. It allows you to have that kind of 3D-esque look to it. Kind of cool looking. I don't know how many more CPU cycles it takes to run this, and what I don't really notice a battery life difference from using this, but it seems kind of nice, and I don't know if it adds any more functionality, but it looks cooler. The other thing you're going to notice is right here that we have the phone right set up in the launcher panel down here, and also the browser. So that's kind of cool. Saves you some icons that you don't have to use up here. One of the things that I don't like about this ROM is that whenever you press the home button, it takes you to the screen that's just left of center. So that doesn't make sense. So here we have the very left screen, the second screen over. There's the middle screen right there. There's one more screen over, and then we've got the complete right screen. And so whenever I press home button, it takes me to the second to the left. I don't understand why it doesn't use the center screen, but hey, whatever, to each their own. One thing that you're going to notice is the smoked glass theme, and that's actually a theme that you see in quite a few ROMs out there, but this one's actually the original. Adam Z was the originator of the smoked glass theme, and this is just his ROM that he's created. I guess he's multi-talented in creating both themes and ROMs. One of the other things that we have here is the gallery. One of the usual suspects that you're going to see throughout most custom Droid ROMs is the Nexus 1 gallery, and this is kind of nice because it pulls information not only from your SD card, but also from your Picasa web albums. So this is straight off Picasa, and you can see that it pulls it from the internet, and it also has multi-touch support, which is kind of nice. Some of the other usual suspects this thing has is, obviously, it's got the ability to overclock the processor. So right now I've got this one set at 800 megahertz. I usually like it around there. It doesn't use too much battery over the stock 550. I notice maybe 30-40 minutes less battery out of it, but I'm willing to make the sacrifice. Let's see here. Some of the other things, it also has Wi-Fi tether capability, so if you are in need of that, this ROM has it. One thing that's a little bit different than I noticed from some of the other ROMs that I've run is the phone seems to run a little bit hotter. The battery seems to get hotter on the back than other ROMs that also run 800 megahertz. I don't know what would be causing that, but it physically feels hotter in my hand. But for the most part, the ROM seems really smooth and fast. I would put it right up there with Bugless Beast as far as speed is concerned. I've had some other ROMs that are nowhere near as fast overclocked, and this one just feels fluid. Things run really well. It also includes a multi-touch browser, and just a lot of little refinements that you don't find in some of the other ROMs. But as far as a daily driver ROM, this is definitely one that you can use every day and not have any issues with it. But I think I like it quite a bit. I use it on a somewhat regular basis. I normally use Bugless Beast, but if this is my second choice for sure. The one thing that Adam needs to really fix in the next revision is this home button thing. It drives me nuts. I don't know, it's just the perfectionist in me, but I want it to be on the center screen. But other than that, I think it's a great ROM, and you should go ahead and check it out.